बहुत अच्छा रहा भाजी। जैसे ही आया मैं भी नर्वस था और डरा हुआ था, क्योंकि ये लुक पहले मैंने लाइफ में कभी ऐसे नहीं मैं बना हूँ। तो मुझे था पता नहीं शायद गालियाँ ना पड़ें कि ये क्यों बना तुम ऐसे। तो इस चीज़ का मुझे ज़्यादा डर था। ट्रेलर मैंने देखा था, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर था, तो उसकी मुझे टेंशन कब अपनी ज़्यादा थी कि मुझे गालियाँ ना पड़ें कि ये क्यों ऐसे क्यों बना तो। लेकिन वो बिल्कुल उल्टा हुआ। वो सब ने वो लुक बहुत पसंद किया और मैंने वो कॉस्ट्यूम ले लिया है। पहले ले लिया था, मैं कहा अगर तो अच्छा बना तो एक आधी वीडियो कर दूंगा उसके बाद भी। तो मैंने ले लिया कॉस्ट्यूम, तो मैं एक और वीडियो भी करूंगा पर्सनली। बहुत अच्छी
Honestly, nervousness तो थी because I guess when you're trying to do something अलग जो it's not been done before, there's no reference point for it, so you don't know if it's going to be palpable enough for the audience or not. I mean, कभी-कभी उस चीज़ का doubt रहता है. So I guess that was the only thing we were a little like, will people welcome something like this? Because it's, I mean, by nature it's a love story, right? But there's this ghost, and it's the love story of this ghost. So will people get onto that? I think that was something that we were a little, I won't say like worried, but like that little anxiety was like कि कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. But the response has been so phenomenal, and I'm grateful for that. That I don't know, like I just actually asked somebody just now recently. I just asked my manager. I said, "This is real, right? I mean, ऐसे कुछ fake तो नहीं है ना? मतलब this is real." So yeah, it feels great. A lot of good support has come from my friends in the industry also. So we're excited, yeah, we're excited and very encouraged by this response.
यार अगर ये लोग नर्वस थे, आप मेरी हालत इमेजिन कर लो. It's funny, if finally putting your work out there, something you've been trying to put together for about 2 years now. It's been overwhelming. बहुत ही अच्छा response आ रहा है. At least that's what we are being told by the team. So yeah, I mean, it's great. It's encouraging. Yeah.
So the story is that Anshay, who's been a friend for many years, since he was in assistant director actually, and he's very good friends with my brother. My brother and me, obviously, yeah, producers on the film. So he discussed this idea with my brother, and the idea came from a friend of his who got
Actually
married to a tree,
Okay.
and they used to make fun of his friend, and ऐसे मजाक मजाक में बोलते थे कि वहाँ पे कोई भूत होगा तो तेरे पे चढ़ जाएगा types. So he got that idea from there, and he discussed with Kannu, with Karnesh. Sorry,
Kannu
so he's
bhaiya,
told me
Kannu
not to
bhaiya.
take his pet name.
Yeah.
And we as a company are always looking for new stories, unique ways of telling stories, and I think this film lends itself to that. It is a unique way of telling story because there's a character that's been completely recreated with VFX, and it is a different story because it is a love story, but it is, it's been said in a way that is, I guess, what people are calling intriguing. And I guess we all collaborated and got down to writing, and Anshay and Anvita worked on that. Anvita, that is the writer of the film. And yeah, we are here today.
जी, मुझे अन्विता मैम और अंशाय सर और करनेश पाजी और चैतन्य सर ये मिले थे जब फिल्म मुझे सुनाई गई, तो मुझे स्टोरी अच्छी लगी, तो मैं बस पार्ट बन गया जी फिल्म का। ऐसे कैरेक्टर मुझे पंजाबी फिल्मों में कम मिलते हैं थोड़े। मैं ज़्यादातर रोम कॉम ही जॉनर ज़्यादा किया पंजाबी फिल्म में। एक ही पिक्चर की थी पंजाब 1984, वो कुछ सीरियस सब्जेक्ट पे थी। बाकी बॉलीवुड में दोनों सब्जेक्ट बिल्कुल अलग मिले उड़ता पंजाबी और ये बिल्कुल अलग। आई एम हैप्पी के सेम वैसे नहीं मिला जो पंजाब में मैं करता हूँ, सो आई एम हैप्पी इस बात के लिए।
I think chemistry is actually about actors, not about like their performances and what they're given, the characters that they're given. I think the way Anshay and Anvita has written the love story in a way that it is that has that old world charm, and the आँखों ही आँखों में प्यार वाली वो जो होती थी ना, love stories, that kind of love story. So I think we just had to just be honest to those characters and play those characters with utmost honesty, I think, which we've tried to do. So I guess what people are reacting to is that, and I guess like Anshay was just saying a while back that me and दिलजीत हमने ज़्यादा ऐसे बात नहीं करी थी, because दिलजीत कम बोलते हैं और सेट पे थोड़ा मैं भी चुप ही रहना चाहती हूँ फोकस करने के लिए, बट दैट हेल्प आई थिंक, बिकॉज वो इसमें जो एक क्या बोलेंगे उसको,
अनकही बातें जो आप बोल जाते हैं, बिकॉज एक बॉन्ड था। ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग बात नहीं करते थे सेट पे बॉन्ड था
कम करने थे।
कम बातें
मैंने
करते
कुछ
थे।
अजीब साउंड करा दिया ना।
But that worked for the film. Yeah, it worked for us. It worked really well, actually. Very honestly, the entire experience is a blur. As a debutant director, वो 60 दिन कहाँ निकल जाते हैं शूटिंग के आपको समझ नहीं आता. You're just trying to sort of make sense of आपने 1-1.5 साल से जो लिखा हुआ है, just to get it on film and on camera, and that really goes off in a flash. You start on day 1 and then you're on day 60, and that is how exactly it went by. Having said that, it was a lot of fun. Of course, there are pressures, and you deal with them. And yeah, but it's just been. They're great producers. Yeah, we had a great team on board that make this journey very enjoyable. And also, when you have actors like Diljit, Anushka, Suraj, Mehreen, they make. And in fact, the supporting cast also, the secondary cast of the film is also really, really good. What that does is it makes your day really enjoyable. When the actors start responding to you, or you start responding to the actors, and they take the scene that you've written on paper to another place altogether, I guess that's the biggest happiness you look for. And yeah, we sort of had a really good time doing it.
No, it would have been close to impossible if I was doing it alone, but I'm not. It's with my brother, who is a very, very good mind. He's got a very good mind to be a producer. उनकी खासियत ये है, which I think is what a producer is someone who is able to manage people. You know, people management skills बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, and he's very good at it. He's someone who's very he has the potential. You know, he can seek potential in something. So I guess अकेले कर रही थी तो बहुत मुश्किल होता, but because मेरे भाई के साथ कर रही हूँ, he's made it very easy because we're a team, and we always wanted to do this together. So today we are doing this together. बहुत अजीब लगता है, but you know, I mean, we were very close when we were growing up as siblings, and today we're doing like this outside, you know, creating films right now. So I think it's been an enjoyable experience, and if you have the same kind of vision for your company, which we do, which is to, you know, create new and diverse stories, have a different way of saying stories, and backing new talent. For both of us, we believe in that, and I think that's what we are trying to do. So yeah, so, and also, I mean, the team, you know, our team at Clean Slate has been wonderful, and they've been it is a collaborative effort, you know, at the end of the day. So we are very grateful that we had such a good team. बहुत लंबा बोला है क्या?
इनको पता नहीं, सब क्लीन स्लेट वालों को लगता है कंपनी उनकी है. इनको नहीं
जो
पता
है,
कि जो
जो
है
है.
वो हम सबकी कंपनी है ये.
एक्चुअली हम दोनों ने ना अपने लिए पिक्चर बनाने के लिए कंपनी शुरू नहीं करी. सो इट्स टू मेक मूवीज. आई डोंट थिंक, आई मीन, यू एक्चुअली शुड आस्क माय ब्रदर. ये बहुत एंटरटेनिंग होगा अगर आप उनसे पूछेंगे कि वो एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं तो.
यार मैं उसके बिहाफ पे आंसर कर देता हूँ. कन्नू के दूर दूर तक एक्टिंग करने के कोई प्लान्स नहीं है. ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर, एंड ही इज़ वेरी गुड एट इट. देयर इज नो रीजन दैट ही शुड शिफ्ट एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट इन टाइम. सो या नहीं, ये आपकी रूमर्स गलत हैं.
Music director, he's given music for the first time in a film. His name is Shashwat Sachdev, very talented young guy, and I guess what we needed for this film was good range, you know, because there are two worlds, and the music had to belong to the worlds but yet be part of one whole film, and I think he has been able to achieve that. There's also the singer who's lent his voice to Diljit's character, Romi. वो पहली बार उन्होंने गाना गाया एवर, like first time. And if you hear which people are reacting already with the trailer to this song Sahiba that plays in the trailer, and people are writing about it also, which is amazing. So that's how he's so talented, he's so gifted, that singer. And I guess it's because of just finding them and Anshay getting Shashwat on board that I guess the music is what it is. And we are very happy and grateful. Music is a very integral part of the film. It's very important, and we think we have good music.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, we're fairly confident of the music. Music's good.
बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक था जी. जो रोमी ने गाया वो मैं नहीं गा सकता, इसलिए मैंने ख़राब भी नहीं किया गाने. मैंने कोई गाना बहुत अच्छा गाता है बंदा. और जिन्होंने म्यूज़िक किया है शाश्वत जी, वो बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक करते हैं. एक साथ ही मुझे लगता रहते हैं. मैं उनके 2-3 बार एक साथ ही मिला हूँ उनके. बहुत ही प्यारी जोड़ी है, और आने वाले टाइम में मुझे लगता है बॉलीवुड में कमाल करने वाले वो लोग. अभी सिर्फ 6-7 सेकंड का मुझे लगता है, पता नहीं उससे ज़्यादा शायद ट्रेलर में गाना आया है. तो अभी मुझे बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आई हैं कि ये गाना हम कहाँ से ले सकते हैं. तो म्यूज़िक का मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा स्कोप होने वाला है फिल्म में. सो उन दोनों बंदों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद है. और मैंने सिर्फ एक प्रमोशनल गाना गाया है, वो बस. बाकी सारा काम बहुत अच्छा काम.
See, I think it's not just about Bollywood fraternity. I think in general, I have already spoken about this. I've already said what I had to say on Twitter. Um, I think nobody can resort to violence. Violence is no. It's not the answer to anything. Any kind of disagreement, any kind of difference of opinion in a democracy should be welcomed. But resorting to violence to make your point, I think, is not the correct thing. So I think on a human level, I think it's wrong. Of course, it's wrong for the industry also that we feel very wrong was done. But I think in general, on a human level, it was not right. And for the sake of humanity, it was not right.
हाँ जी, मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि ये फैमिली ਫਿਲਮ ਹੈ 24 ਮਾਰਚ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਰਹੀ 24 ਮਾਰਚ ਨੂੰ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਾ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਟਿਕਟਸ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਬੁਕਿੰਗ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਾ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਲਵਰਸ ਨੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਯੂਥ ਨੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੋ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਸੋ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਆਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਖੋ
सही बोल दिया उन्होंने एकदम. It is a family film. There's a lot to take away from the film, and I believe if the audience likes the promos that we send out, then they should come and watch the film. The trailer is the deciding factor. Our trailer has been very well received, so I hope all these people who have sent so much love for the trailer, they increase the footfalls in cinema halls and they make it a successful film. Of course, that's the hope.
Also, the trailer is very true to the film. Exactly what you see in the trailer. There's a bit of fun. There's a bit of love. I think the amalgamation of the two worlds is beautiful. ये मैं खुद ही कह रहा हूँ मुझे कहना नहीं चाहिए. But yeah, please come watch it 24th March.